Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a good day. I always say that. I always tend to have like good days. And I just really want you guys to have good days as well. And you know what makes me really happy? If I'm like feeling really down, I absolutely love just getting into makeup and just feeling myself. So that's what we're gonna do today. I got new stuff for the studio and we're gonna dive into it right now. I'm feeling blue today. Blue just, oof, I don't know, I love blue eyes. We're gonna play with some new colors, new product, new things from Beauty Bay Cosmetics. The first time I ever tried Beauty Bay Cosmetics was when Nikki Tutorial and Beauty Bay collaborated. That was like the first time I heard about them. And I was like honestly so gagged by Beauty Bay Cosmetics. Like they were just, it was like perfect. Let's go ahead and jump into the PR box. This is the new Make It Magical PR. As you guys can see here, this whole full box is blue. We have the palette, we have some liners, and we have lipsticks. So these are it. Now these are retailing for $15, 18 euros. Oh, what do they say in London, or what do they say? Euros? No, not euros, pounds. All right, you guys, so we're gonna pull out the 3 lipsticks here. We do have the Book of Magic palette, and then we have the 4 liners. Oh wow, those are so cheap. So the liners are $7 and lipsticks are $5. That is insane, and they do sell them in a bundle. Wow, okay. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox a bunch of these liners. So we do have a really pretty gold, like bronzy color. Now you guys know when it comes to like glitter liners, I really rarely wear liners with glitter on it. Like I just don't. I find myself rarely wearing them just because I really do forget about them and I don't really, you know, care. So this is a pretty one. This is a pretty green. Actually, I'm gonna swatch it. Oh wow, that's actually really pretty. Like that's actually really pretty. I'm gonna swatch all these right now because maybe I might wear some glitter liners today. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna wear these colors. I'm just not like a glitter liner person. I don't know. I'm just not. Honestly, out of the 4, the green stands out to me the most. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and do the lipsticks. Now I don't know what these colors are, so we're gonna find out right now. Oh my god, I've been saying these are lipsticks all day. I was like, $5? That is so crazy. But they're not lipsticks. Look at me, girl, judging the packaging by the packaging. Wow, these are liquid eyeshadows. Oh my god, I've been calling them lipsticks. This is super cool. Now, I've only worked with some products like this with House Labs, and I was obsessed. So I will definitely, I don't even know if I'm gonna use these today, but oh my god, look at this color. Look at this blue. Oh my god, this is so fucking stunning. So this one's like a deep, like purple. Oh my god, these are so fucking beautiful. $5? What? Okay, let me swatch this last one. So they really, oh my god. Oh my god, look at that one. What the fuck? Look at this. Can you guys just look at that? What the fuck? Look at this blue. That blue is, oh fuck. That's so pretty. Look at this color. I don't even know what color that is. Wow, the opaque is so like out of this world. Like I'm gagged. Let's get right into this palette. So we definitely changed the game today. I had a vision of an eye that I wanted to do, but whew, okay. So this is the palette. This is Book of Magic. Actually, I peeked at it. I already know what this looks like. You guys are gonna like it. It's actually such a good palette. Like I'm telling you, it's a good palette. All right, pulling this out. This is the palette, super cute. Definitely should have had a picture of my face on there. I mean, come on. Let's go ahead and see the colors. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Like, what is going on? Like, look at all these beautiful colors. I mean, the schematic, that black in the middle, the blues, like it's just so beautiful. Like I'm very gagged. Like this is cunt. Like this is definitely making sense for me. I love the warm browns. I love the blue colors. I love the different shades of blue. I love the black. I think every palette needs a black, period. So we're gonna definitely dive into that today. So let's go ahead and bake underneath just in case, because like I said, I don't know if, I mean, I think I do know, because when I used the Nikki Tutorial palette, I didn't really get a lot of fallout. All right, guys, so starting with this color Bewitched, let's go ahead and just kind of get that blue on. Now, the last time I did Nikki Tutorial's palette, I loved it because the colors were so easy to use. I'm pretty sure these are going to be like the same formula. But since I have you guys' attention, I really want to talk to my Drag Race fans out there. This has been something on my mind for a long time. Like, obviously, you guys know I'm a huge Drag Race fan. I just really want to get into this conversation with you guys because I know, like, first of all, this year has been so insane that it's almost like one of those years with the pandemic and with the election going on. Like this year, I feel like everybody grew up. Like everybody took their career to the next level. People are just really finding themselves and really becoming someone. And I really commend people for doing that. I don't know, this is for the fans that kind of get on Drag Race queens, and I hate when people do this. And it's gonna be one of those things where I want you guys to kind of pay attention to what I'm saying, because you guys might take what I'm saying out of content. I just think for the queens that are really becoming something else and doing other things, I want to say I commend you guys so much. I think what happens when you get on the show and you become this TV star where everybody thinks you're like automatically rich. People think you're automatically like, you have the platform to do whatever you want. Oh my God. First of all, for anyone out there that's gonna sit there and tell you what to do with your platform, you have no idea how wrong that is. I don't think you're able to sit there and tell someone what to do with their platform. They can do whatever they want with that platform, and you're not gonna tell them. That's why like I have taken myself out of the market. I've taken myself away from that. And I just feel like Drag Race fans in general, and I'm talking about all of them, they just always feel like they need an explanation of what you're doing with your career. And I really truly agree with that. And I think a lot of queens get very skeptical, because I know some of my sisters are just overperforming. Some people don't want to perform for the rest of their lives. Like, and I truly agree with that. Like, just because we started off in your eyes as a performer doesn't mean that we have to do this every single day for you. So when you guys are fans and when you guys feel like you guys have to go out there and tell people like, oh, she's not performing anymore, she's not doing well, she's not like all over, and she's not using her platform to spread awareness, she's not using her platform to really help, and she's not performing, like, it's so sad, like, did she run out of money? That is so whack. And I'm sorry to start off this video this way, but I really want to get that off my chest and really like get that out there. I just think it's so wrong, and I think it's so tired. And that's why like my fans aren't just Drag Race fans. You know, my fans are people that don't have time for drama online. They love beauty, they love makeup, they love drag, and that's my fans. There's a lot of people that do not like me. Like, honestly, like I'm telling you right now, there's a lot of Drag Race fans that do not like me because of my look and my drag, and I don't really care if y'all like me or not, because I'm not doing this for y'all. Who are you to tell people and certain queens on what they did and what they should do? Honestly, I hate people that do that. I will go and like scroll on people's Instagram. You'll see what they write. It's like, wow, she's not doing that. She's not using her platform for anything. You're not gonna tell me what to do with my platform. Like, why do you feel like you have the time to tell me that? Like, that's just insane. I just had to get that off my chest. Now, since I got that off my chest, how is this blue? This blue is so stunning. Wow, this blue, super dope. I don't know what to do next. I wanna do like a cut crease, but I don't know if I want to use like this blue, but I feel like it's so dark. Because what I was gonna do with it intentionally, you guys, is take it and kind of cut it. I think it's too dark. Let's just kind of deepen a little bit, and then let's kind of really see this color combination. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that fucking blue, y'all. That's crazy. You guys, look at this blue. Like, did you not just witness how gorgeous these two colors just combined and what it did? What is going on? I'm obsessed. Beauty Bay, I need a code. Because, honey, my fans need this palette. And my fans will only use whatever I have a code to. And I'm just literally taking it and I'm just kind of blending it. You can see this? This blue is called Cursed. Also, they're doing like a little witch vibe, like a little curse, you know, moment. Look at that. That's fucking blue. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna use this liquid today. Maybe I should use this one. Should I use this purple? I wish I could talk to you guys like this purple. I really wouldn't want to use like this. I just think for today's look, it's a little too, I don't know, maybe the blue would work. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this today. Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna use that today. Okay, so since I'm gonna do that today, I'm just gonna take that blue and just kind of blend it into my brow a little bit, because I think this blue is gonna be enough for me to really take and carve. So I'm gonna take that same blue and I'm gonna go right underneath my eye. Wow, look how pretty that is. Oh, did you not see how gorgeous this blue went on? It was just like a liner. It's so like, it's just so beautiful. All right, Beauty Bay, I have a request. I need you guys to make a green palette because I want it. Look at that. Oh, wow, look at that. So now the time has come to use this. Oh my God. Okay, so this is what I was gagging about. I'm literally gonna take it, I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can take a good look again. It's this blue, okay? That's what I'm gonna use. I'm getting excited. Okay. I hope it works good. Oh wow, oh my God, that is so fucking beautiful. Oh, Oh my god, it's so midnight. It's definitely darker than what I would normally do. Look how easy that was. Like, honestly, I feel like Beauty Bay, you need to make these in every single color because this just saves people time to go back and tap on shadows. I know what I'm gonna do next. Oh my god, look at that. So fucking gorgeous. I'm so happy I did a blue eye. Now, next, what I'm gonna do, I really want to like incorporate the purple now. I know earlier I was like, oh, I'm not gonna do the purple, but like it looks really pretty. This lavender color is so pretty. So this color called Spell, I want to see it like on. Oh my god, look at, get up close, get up close. Wow, it's like glass. Yeah, Beauty Bay, I need you to make me a green one, and I need to be the face of it. Wow. I'm taking this blue, now I'm gonna mix in the blue. So basically what I'm doing, you guys, is I'm just kind of mixing all these shimmer colors to create like this midnight kind of moment. You see that? Look at that. It just looks like glass. Oh, I really want to try the purple. Should I do it, you guys? Oh my god. Okay. All right, let's do the purple. So this color called Charm. Wow, look at that. Look at that. You guys see it? Oh wow, that's so pretty. Oh my god, look how pretty that is. I'm like really gagged. Sometimes when I'm like gagging over eyeshadow, I literally forget like I'm filming. I just like continue to go. There's one more pet peeve that I have to do. We can definitely define that much more. I like to take that color and carry it on, like this color, and carry it on here. So what you do is that you remember that first color you used, get like a very small brush and kind of go back in and really carve it out. So this is what I'm talking about. So take it, you want to like carve this out and make it more, a little more interesting and really define it. Take it, really buff it out with that pretty matte color you picked. Remember this tiny brush I used for my liner? So what you want to do is you take that dark color, now you want to kind of go back and you really want to define your crease like this. See that? See how more interesting that looked? See that how cool that looks? The question is, should I put black on? I think I should. I think a little black won't hurt nobody. What do you guys think? I think black will be really pretty with this because it's gonna give it like that really extra edge, but let's go ahead and put a little bit of black. Like let's not really cover it with black. So this color called Hex, it's definitely a lot of black. Okay, let's go ahead and get some black on there. Just to kind of deepen it a little bit. Wow, look at that. I am so obsessed with this. I'm gagged. I'm so gagged. So this is gonna be a fun moment. So y'all know, Makeup of Mario, I have his liner here today. And we're gonna try it, okay? So let's go ahead and try the liner and see what the liner does. Because you guys know I'm a House Lab fanatic. Yeah, she's on there. Wow. You know when it comes to liner, it's like either you like it or you don't. It's really hard for me to talk about a liner because it has to be black, it has to be opaque, it has to last long. Some liners, brands, like their liners don't fucking last. Like, I mean, after like 10 little strokes, I'm like, where the fuck is the liner? So I'm taking that, I'm just gonna blend in that liner. Oh my god, I'm so like, wow. So I'm gonna take this pretty like purple called Sorcery and let's go ahead and just kind of blend underneath. You guys know I love a good blend underneath. And then voila. You guys, this is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna brush off all of this setting powder. Okay, yeah, so definitely I suggest you guys get these. Like they're only $5 each. And I think you can get them in a trio. And then I totally think you guys should get this palette. Like this is stunning. Like I'm sorry, I don't even have a code for you guys, but like I'm like really excited about this color. Like this is just beautiful. Y'all know I love Tati Lashes. Now remember you guys, if you guys are shopping on Tati Lashes, check out their Instagram. Also remember to use my code Kimora15. It does save you money at the end. Let me tell you, that's like a lot of money. I'm trying to save y'all some money. Right now we're gonna go ahead and pluck on some Tati Lashes to show you guys this final look with my blue little smoky eye. All right, guys, so now we have the full eyeshadow on. Honestly, today I'm gonna wear the color Peachy and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like because I really love it. So what I do is I take a little brush and I just kind of peach the cheek a little bit. I kind of mix it with my bronzers. Now when it comes to contouring, I love something that's super warm and super like peachy orange. I actually used to use a peachy like orange eyeshadow to kind of give me blush because it was so hard to find blush. Let's go ahead and just kind of brighten underneath the eye. Now I love to use Magic Star. This color is called Beige and the beige is what I use to do underneath my eyes. I kind of brighten it up and I love to kind of pinch it with the nose. I love a good nose little highlight. Magic Star is honestly one of the best setting powders. It just like gives me life. Alright, you guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and jump into some lips. Now, you guys know, whether y'all hate him or not, Miss Jeffree Star, let me tell you, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, they always let me have it. Jeffree is a good friend of mine, and he just always takes good care of me, and I'm obsessed with his fucking lipstick. So today, I'm gonna pick up some lipsticks. I need a lipstick color. I think I wanna do like a nude. Alright, you guys, so today's lipstick, I'm gonna use my favorite nude, Diet Mannequin from Velvet Trap. I was actually very obsessed with this color. This color is so beautiful. I love it. But I kind of want to see it with Love Bite. Like, I just love the Love Bite pencil from Morphe. So what I do is I take the Love Bite, and then after you line it, I never used Love Bite with this color, so I'm very curious on what it looks like. Oh, I kind of like it. Is it too light for me? Maybe with like a little gloss. I actually really like it. How's that? I think that's cute. Let's put like a gloss. I'm gonna put a little KVD Vegan Beauty right on top. Oh yeah, see? Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Look how pretty that looks already. Wow. Oh my god, I forgot the fucking highlight. I was like, what's missing on my face? Now, I've been loving this palette. This palette is the KKW times Allison. I really buy palettes with all these colors in it because I never really had a good experience buying palettes with it has like a blush, contour, or highlight. Cause you know, sometimes like when you buy it, it's like, I only like 2 of them out of the 3. But I actually really love all these together. It actually kind of looks like what I'm wearing right now. Now let's go ahead and get my favorite part, a little continuous setting mist from Morphe, and let's go ahead and just set this face. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on a wig and we're gonna see the final look. This palette is everything. I love it. Honestly, like my top 5 favorite blue palettes ever. Beauty Bay. I need a green. I need to see a green version of Beauty Bay Cosmetics in this palette. I think they're gonna slay it. Y'all definitely need this palette. Like, you guys saw the gag. Y'all saw it up close. I thought these were lipsticks. They're not. They're eyeshadows. These are stunning. I don't even know what you would call these. Liquid eyeshadows. I don't even fucking know. But they're everything. Shout out to Nikki Tutorials for introducing this brand to me. Like, they're so sickening. Y'all, I had so much fun. This was not the eye that I was planning to do. Now, if you guys are coming back to my channel, welcome. Make sure you guys are subscribing to my channel. Honestly, thumbs up means a lot. So if you guys love this video, thumbs up. If you guys didn't enjoy it, thumbs down. Let me know. I love that stuff, so, you know. And also, if you guys are shopping on Tati Lashes, make sure you guys are using my code Kimora15. It does save you 15% off instantly. Get a little closer. I'm just kidding. You guys, I love you, and I will see you guys in a few days.